You are going to love the 2016 INFINITI QX80. If you are in the market for a full-size luxury SUV with all the latest technology to make driving easier, look no further than the INFINITI QX80. It packs a strong engine, excellent manners, and a well-equipped cabin. The QX80 is the most fuel-efficient of its kind. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: roof rails, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, engine immobilizer, tire pressure monitoring system, front stabilizer bar, braking assist, perimeter alarm. Come take a test drive today.